Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the, I don't know if it's pronounced Tymo Porta Pro. Is it Porta Pro? I think it's derived from the name Portable, but it's the Porta Pro or Porta Pro, I don't know. And I got this at Target. Yes, this was before the boycott, so nobody should come for me. And yeah, let's just get right into it. So it says it's a ceramic coated heating brush with an ionic outlet. It has yeah, it's chargeable, and this is what it looks like inside. This is the manual, and ooh, dropped it. So it comes in this cute little press. This is nice. And I guess here we have the power supply. And this is the brush. It comes with this. I've seen a couple of people use this, and the people I've seen do this have been doing it. Some people have done it on straight hair, on hair that is not stretched. I just blow dried my hair, and I think I'll insert a video of how I blow dry my hair. I'm starting off by blow dry my hair. I'm going to be using the Ref Air Dryer. This is what I use for blow drying, and I'll use this. I'll use the Fenty here. What's this called? Protective type. What is it? 5-in-1 heat protective styler. This I love this heat protectant so much because it also gives my hair very it helps to detangle the hair. What's going on? Just a little bit, tiny little bit. So I've seen people going with this. Okay, I can just have that service. I don't want to make this a long video, but we will see. So my hair is blow dried, and oh my god, I'm not sure this is something I'll be doing often because it just looks like so much work. Oh, okay, and I need a trim. I so badly need a good trim. I'm just getting unnecessary tangles because of this. That's what my hair looks like. I'm 4C by Alrighty. Before I washed my hair yesterday, another thing which is very important to note, I did wash my hair yesterday, and I used the Molanga Naturals, what they call that thing, the Rosemary moisturizing shampoo. That's my brand, by the way, and I'm saying, what do we call that thing? And most importantly, I used the moisturizing deep conditioner, which has keratin in it. So that's a deep conditioner I always use. I've been using that for, I don't think in the past year I've used any deep conditioner. Sometimes I try out different brands, but I think for my deep conditioner I haven't really switched. I've been using the same thing for over a year, and I love it because it's moisturizing and it's a protein deep conditioner. So when you're doing heat styling, it's very important to use protein deep conditioner so you can strengthen your hair. It reduces the probability of heat damage and also just keeps your hair healthier, prevents breakage, especially if you do use a lot of heat tools. So always going with a protein treatment. And yeah, you can get the products on our website, molanganaturals.com. But today we're talking about this. I think my lighting has gone down. Let me balance it. Hey, they have some clips inside, so this is very helpful. I actually just went to get a clip before discovering they had some in here. And let's take a look at the settings. So this is the brush, and okay, I think I have, there are 3 settings. And this is the power button, this is the outlet, or what is that? And they have 3 settings. So the first setting is 320. The first setting is 320 degrees, which is recommended for people with damaged or fine hair. The second setting is for normal or slightly coarse hair. That's 395 degrees. And then 360 degrees. And then for thick and coarse hair, which is definitely hair like mine, that will be 395 degrees. That's the third setting. And then to turn this off, you have to press for a long while. So, all right, let's try. So I'm going to be using this IGK Good Behavior Spirulina Protein Smoothing Spray. I actually went to get the Wow spray to use as a finishing spray because I thought I was going to use either of the heat protectants I have at home. But then it says you should spray generously over damp hair in sections and blow dry, smooth to finish. Apply to dry strands before flat ironing for optimal results and lasting frizz control. So I'm going to be using just this for frizz control and whatever. Let's see how this turns out. This is going to be my first time doing something like this on my hair, so yeah, I am so impatient, honestly. But let's see how this goes. My hair isn't even very detangled, so I'm going to go in with this, give it a little bit of, shake it a little bit, and you know. Oh, this smells so good. Oh my god, this thing smells so good. I love the smell. Just trying to get through all this. Yikes. Another thing is I didn't detangle my hair very well. I'm not even gonna lie. So this is not, oh sh. So I'm just going in with the brush. This brush I'm using is the Easy Detangler brush. Just to remove any tangles from my hair. I do have quite a good number of them because I didn't detangle my hair well while washing. But let me bring this closer so you guys can see the texture. This is the texture right now, and let's just see. So I'm just, hi, I'm so scared though. Let me not burn myself. Oh my god. So I'm just going to swipe this. Okay, it's not that hot. Actually, it's not that hot. And I'm grabbing it from, okay, let's see. I'm grabbing it from the roots. Let's see. I want to grab it this way. Problem is, it's picking up some hair. All right. I want you guys to see. Okay. Oh, this is actually so good. Oh, this is so good. All right, let me be serious now. I'm gonna pass it on just one more time. Like I said, this is not so hot, and I have it on the third setting, so I'm just mad because it keeps grabbing this other. I'm just not good with it, by the way. So this has nothing to do with the comb. It's just me. I'm not good at. I haven't done this before. Oops, my clip just broke. So I'm going to open this one. This is actually a very nice and firm clip, by the way. So kudos to them. Okay. I like this. I actually like it. This is so smooth. Actually, this is the this is the silkiest I've ever seen my hair, because I haven't done I've never done a flat iron before, so this is the first time. You know, I'm just going to go behind the camera and try to complete this side. Yeah, I'm just going to go behind the camera, try to do this side, and then show you guys what, you know, the silky side versus the blow dry side looks like. So I just finished this side, and this is what I've learned so far. So it's very important, first of all, it's very important that your hair is, it's important your hair is perfectly detangled. This has taken me a lot longer than I thought, and I just put my hair, I wrapped it up about 5 minutes ago, because yeah, it was looking puffy. So this is the result. To be honest, I love the feel, but does it feel like this is a flat iron? No, I'm not going for a flat iron kind of look. Let me increase my, yeah, I'm not going for a flat iron look. Another thing is, I think I'll have to go for the one with the cord, because I didn't charge this before I started, and I can barely charge my phone, so I don't know why I was thinking I'm going to be able to handle a device like this. But apparently this thing says, if it's been on for 30 minutes, it's going to go off. So when I started using it, I think after some time the battery died, so I had to put it on charge. So when I go through every section, I put it off and just leave it to charge, and I put it back on. So yeah, I'll definitely go for the one which is corded over this one. Yeah, this is the final look. I have a feeling I just want to run this through. Ooh, my hair is too thick to do this. Try and see if I can just run it through my hair. I definitely do need a good trim. So this is the final results. I think I like how this looks. It's full. I definitely would love to wear my hair like this. If only Frizz could cooperate. This is, I recommend. I don't think this is something you can easily get heat damage from. My hair would definitely revert. And yeah, if you watched to this point, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and like the video and share with someone who might be interested. Thank you very much. And see you on the next video.